Good morning, everyone. As a recording of this, Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. As we know, YouTuber Adam DeWoo passed away December 22nd, 2025, and was very hard to accept. And I was a huge fan of him. I met Adam DeWoo many times at the theme parks and even at a Tampa Bay Rays game one time. But we'll talk about a little bit that later. Recently, Faith, his sister, and his family posted a Adam DeWoo official website merchandise page where you could buy official merchandise and not from people who are just, trying to make a profit off of his name and stuff like that. So as soon as I saw that this was announced, I was like, I had to get a few things.
Click and lean back, new ride, new track, from coasters screaming through the sky to game day crowds running high. Subscribe to Rich on YouTube. Rich theme parks and travel on your screen. From theme parks to travel, sports and more. There's always an adventure in your feed. You don't need permission, jump right on. Hit that notification bell. Don't be late, yeah. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe today. Hey, subscribe today. Hey.
So in my order, I ordered 3 things in total. This came first, and I was just very excited to use my piping hot caffeinated beverage travel cup. So today, my other 2 items got delivered. We're gonna do an unboxing together, show you guys what I got. I'm very excited for this. I'm just so happy that the things I purchased is going to help the Williams family in general, because I don't like to purchase things from another reseller that's selling his name and trying to get money from that. I think it's wrong. So I'm very happy that this is going to Adam's family to help. So let's open this package and see what I ordered. I will be ordering more things down the road, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from the Adam DeWoo official merchandise site. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm going to come closer to the camera and show you guys this. This is a Adam DeWoo sticker that's like Back to the Future style. I'm going to put this on my desk when I go back inside. And look at this beauty. Oh boy, look at this beauty. I ordered a t-shirt. Now, before I actually physically opened the shirt, I didn't notice this when I bought it. Look at that. It's my second vlog channel, The Daily Woo, with sunglasses as the tag. I love that so much. Oh man, I'm excited to try this on. You can select different colors on the website. I like this shirt the best, in my opinion. Oh my lord. I like this a lot. That is simply amazing. Now this shirt, I got the same style as the tumbler. The reason why I got this shirt, this photo is from when he went to Last Day at Splash Mountain. I actually happened to meet him that day, and I put him in my vlog. And this shirt means so much to me because I actually saw him the day that this picture was taken. So I like this style the most. It's just, oh my god, it's amazing. I have to go try this on real fast. Isn't all this merchandise just simply awesome? I love this shirt a lot. I love the designs. I love the Adam DeWoo Back to the Future sticker. So cool. I'm very happy that I bought from the official merchandise site, because there's a lot of people that are selling his merch, especially after he passed, which I think is wrong if they're making profit off of that. Some places I saw are going to charity and stuff. From the Adam DeWoo official merchandise shop, goes directly to his family, and I love that so much. I'm happy to help in any way. But check out the site, it's amazing. Now, one thing I do want to mention real fast, the other day me and my fiance had an appointment in St. Cloud, which happened to be 4 minutes away from the cemetery where Adam is buried at. And I don't like filming at cemeteries, I just don't believe in it. I know people like that, which is totally fine. I'm not saying don't do it. But I didn't want to take a video there, I just wanted to respect everything. But I did actually leave 2 Tampa Bay Rays ice cream helmets. If you guys see them at the gravesite, I left a little note on the helmet with saying, "Join me, shall you?" and then I put a picture on the side of the helmet. I will insert a picture of what I left. And also, too, my friend Mario from New Jersey was also a really big fan of Adam. Actually, 5 years ago today, I was at the opening day of Flower and Garden, and he actually stopped and did a video for me. Check this out real fast from what he said to my friend Mario.
Hey Mario, I want to say hi from Flower and Garden Festival at Epcot. I want to say hello, wish you were here, and hope you get better, man.
So I left Mario another Tampa Bay Rays helmet hat that I had laying around, and I put a little note for him to leave saying it was from Mario in New Jersey. So I was very happy to go to his site, pay my respects. I just really miss him so much. But now check out a couple times that I met Adam. I'm going to insert some pictures. Check these out.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Hey guys, I got Adam DeWoo here.
Are you telling a story right now?
Yeah,
Oh, can I be in it?
sure, go for it.
All right, I'm in it.
Cool.
In the story. In the story.
Follow Adam. And here, the one time that I actually put him in my video, I was just so starstruck, and I met him so many times prior to this. This was unfortunately the final time I met him, the last day of Splash Mountain, which these images are from the last day of Splash Mountain that his family used for this design. So this video means a lot. Check this out. So I just ran into one of my favorite YouTubers, Adam DeWoo. Make sure you guys follow him. He does the best Disney content around here. You're welcome. Have a good one. Adam DeWoo's Celebration of Life is going to be in California on Sunday, March 8th. And his dad's YouTube channel, JWW on the Move, will be doing a live stream that day. It starts at 12 p.m. Pacific time, so 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'm definitely going to be watching for sure. I love and miss Adam very much. And I want to thank his family for posting an official website to buy merchandise from. I will definitely be back and purchase more items, that's for sure. But I just figured doing this little unboxing video where you could guys see the merchandise, and I just really want to support him in any way I can. Love and miss you, Adam. Thank you for all this amazing merchandise. But if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Ring that bell notification whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. Again, Adam DeWoo, I love and miss you very much. I will see you guys in the next one. I am going to enjoy my new Adam DeWoo merchandise.